Hi friends, let me introduce the VaniShape, the third generation for you. Here, turn on the machine by the key switch. The machine have five handles, and this is the bit VaniShape handle. Here you can see here we can turn on the laser. Laser has three different colors, red, here red laser. And we can change the laser color, green, press again, then blue color. Also the three color can change together. Here you can see. And this is to turn on and turn off the vacuum. We can turn on the vacuum, and this is to adjust the time. This is to adjust the RF. Here also can turn on the RF. This is to turn on the roller. The roller has 4 directions. Here, 4 directions. And we press this button to change to another direction. Up. And here, press again. Down. And up to use the rotation, we press again to turn off it. The vacuum also. The laser is also. Turn off the laser. Then this is the operation of the VaniShape handle. Here enter, please look at the screen. We enter the system. Then we show you how to use this middle vacuum RF handle. Here we choose this. And then we can adjust the time here. And we adjust the RF here. Here we turn on the vacuum, and here we have 3 models for the vacuum. Turn the laser. No? Okay. Here, turn on the laser, but here. So okay, this is the 3 models of the vacuum. Okay, different. So this is the operation of the middle handle. We turn off the light and turn off the roller. Okay.
And also the vacuum.
Yes. And this is also the vacuum RF handle. Operation is here. Here, we turn on the vacuum. 3 models, also the same. And we can turn on the laser. Here, turn on. And give the treatment. Here, turn off the laser. Also, we can turn off the vacuum here. Okay, this is the operation of this small vacuum RF handle. This is for the face, and this vacuum RF handle is for the eyes. Look at the screen, please. Here we press this button, and we turn on the vacuum. Yes. And this also we can change 3 models of the vacuum. Okay, this is for the eyes treatment. And finally, let me introduce the cavitation for you, the 40K cavitation here. Here we enter the system. Here we can turn on the cavitation here. This is to change the intensity. From 1, the maximum intensity is 8. Here, have a look at this. You can see the cavitation effect. It's getting stronger. As we know, the cavitation is very effective to weight loss. Okay, this is the introduction. After using the cavitation, we turn off the cavitation here, below here. So this is the introduction of the VeloShape, the 3rd generation. Thank you very much. Hope you like it.